So the whole transforming a contact concept, what we took that as is we took the mindset of transforming a contact. It's that adaptation mentality. It's the understanding how fast things are moving right now. So having a system that is completely designed from the ground up by soldiers based on mission needs is transforming contact. And that's really I think the foundation of this whole purpose-built attritable system program. Whatever the time is, we're building them to be perfect for that exact mission set. And if next week or 2 months from now it changes, then the way we build them will change. Captain Ronan Sefton, I'm the S2 for 1st Squadron, 2nd Cavalry Regiment. So the 2CR SUS program started a couple of months ago with the idea to, instead of procuring exquisite systems, that we would build our own. There's 3 main line of efforts in that 2CR SUS program. The first one is the Short Range Reconnaissance Master Trainer rebluing. The second line of effort is the first person view or purpose-built attritable system pilot course. And then the third line of effort is the build, where we teach individuals to build drones. So we conduct a 3-day course where we qualify master builders on the components of a drone and how to actually assemble one. The whole concept is we're designing them and constantly adapting them, and there isn't this long research or sort of testing timeline that has to occur. To give you an idea, the first 3D printed drone we made was in the end of February, and it's now mid-April, and we have 30 systems completely built, all purpose-built for different purposes. We're taking the lessons learned from Ukraine. So if you have a situation where the battlefield demands a different purpose, with these purpose-built systems, the idea of building them ourselves is if you want different capability, you can just outfit it with different equipment. I think we're learning that with how fast things are moving in the war right now in Ukraine and Russia, we can't become comfortable with the system doing everything for us. We have to be able to have the human element to adapt, right? Because that's what I think humans are good at, is adapting under environmental stress. So the system is defined exactly by how we want it to be. It's not defining how we need to fly it. And that's the beauty of these two is, yes, it's harder to fly these drones, but they do exactly what the soldier tells it to do. So if you train the pilot well, then the drone will be capable, rather than you need to find the most capable drone. We have a lot of extremely passionate people about this topic, and it's nobody's job on paper. There is no drone builder MOS, but we have a lot of people who, particularly in 2CR, who just are passionate about this stuff. And it's all done by 2CR soldiers is kind of the big thing that I want to stress. These incredibly complicated engineering type activities with these drones are done by 2CR soldiers exclusively. The design, the printing, the building, and the testing. We don't have any civilians assisting us. We just have some smart green suiters who've come in, who've had particular skill sets, and that's kind of where 2CR is shining. I think we just have these people who are just passionate about this, and that's the biggest thing.